The Rum Punch is a vibrant and fruity cocktail that's perfect for summer gatherings and tropical getaways. You will need the following ingredients: 1 cup white rum, 1 cup dark rum, 1 cup fresh pineapple juice, 1 cup fresh orange juice, 1/2 of a cup lime juice, preferably freshly squeezed 1/4 of a cup grenadine, for a touch of sweetness and color. Slices orange, pineapple, and lime for garnish, optional but adds a tropical flair. To taste Angostura bitters, optional. For equipment you will need large pitcher, stirring spoon, jigger or measuring cups, glasses, ice cubes. Here are the instructions. In a large pitcher, combine the white rum, dark rum, pineapple juice, orange juice, lime juice, and grenadine. Stir the mixture well to ensure all ingredients are thoroughly combined. Taste the mixture and add Angostura bitters if desired. Start with a few dashes and adjust according to your taste. Refrigerate the pitcher for at least 1 hour to let the flavors meld. To serve, fill glasses with ice cubes and pour the rum punch over the ice. Garnish with slices of orange, pineapple, and lime if desired. Serve immediately. Rum punch has a storied history and was a favorite among sailors in the 17th century as a way to make their water rations more palatable. The recipe typically followed the rhyme: 1 of sour, 2 of sweet, 3 of strong, 4 of weak.